Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this lesson. We are on week 3, activity 3, adding views. We are going to look at views uh, in our site, how to make all our content types, to how to view it in such a way that is readable to our visitor and is atheistic. So we are going to look at that today. So let me go to my site, lwmm.lautech.edu.ng. So this is my site. I'm still building it, just like you are still building yours. So let me log in. Okay, webmaster, login. Okay, so I'm logging into my site. Okay, this is the last we added. Uh, we added sidebar and add a block on our sidebar. We added 2 blocks on our sidebar, so we can see this. I'll go to manage. I'll go to structure, and I'll go to views. Okay, so we are going to work on views today. But meanwhile, we this lesson is a continuation of content type 2. This is view. I'm going to go to our content. Okay, so let me open it in a, and this is our content. This is where we'll be adding all the content, and you can see that I've finished my staff directory feeds. I've added it, and I've added a staff. These are just a demo. So I've added a staff. I will add another one to make it 2. Okay, let me view this. Okay, so I've added it, but it's not properly arranged. So we are going to do that today. I'm going to add another one now, and okay, let me go back. To add another one, I'll click on add content, staff directory. Okay, so I'm going to add myself now. I will advise that you type for the title. This title, you see that we have 2 titles. This first title is the system title. Do not delete it. Please do not delete it, because this is what you are going to be. This is the identifier for this particular staff. Though you may show it later or you may not show it, but this must be there. This must be in the form. Okay, I'm going to add myself. Shina Oyebade. So I advise that you add the full name here so that you'll be able to identify each of your staff. I'm going to browse. Okay, I'm going to put alternate text should always be the name, because Google is going to pick the full name. Google is going to pick this. So any image, just make sure that is the full name. So let me just add something here. Slash. So this is just a number. Okay. Surname, first name, middle name. Okay. Mobile 0813. Okay, I can add another one, add another item. Okay, mobile 0. Okay, let me just add this. You can add another item as well. Brief about me. Okay, let me quickly copy brief about me and just paste it there. Well, I don't have brief about me here. Okay, let me just copy for this. Just you can go to the LinkedIn profile of the person and just copy it. Official email address OA OY blacktext.edu.ng. Okay, alternate email address gmail.com. If you say as, you can say add more. Office location, First Bank Testing Center. So it's good that we put office location, directorate, LIT. Okay. So my present position, I didn't put my present, just take anyone. Academic qualification. Okay. I have BTech here. Can add another one. I have this. Professional qualification, Microsoft. Add another one. Cisco. Just add as many you can add. Add another item means that field is unlimited, so you can add. Current address, number 21 under G Ogbomoso. Okay. Skill, project programming. Okay, I can program. So those are my skills. So all these are very relevant because if you are looking for somebody that need maybe like project management, you need something like this, so you'll be able to search your database because this is essentially your database. Financial modeling. Okay. So I have skills, so you can add as many skills as possible. Interest. Okay, I like reading. Okay, chess reading you can add. I like traveling. Okay, so you can add as many languages. I speak Yoruba. Okay, add another one. I speak French. Add another one. I speak English. So this serves as your database that you are building. Okay, LinkedIn URL. Let me see if I can. Okay, so you go and search for the LinkedIn URL. Let me see if I have LinkedIn. Okay, so go and copy LinkedIn URL of the person. Okay, text. Just add the text. LinkedIn. Okay, Google. Okay, each person on Google has their own unique URL, so you copy it and you put link. ResearchGate. You copy it. Okay, so almost, let me just check through the form. Okay, personal ID, my mobile. Okay, so I've changed my profile here. Brief about me. I renamed it as brief about me. So I think this is okay. So let me submit this, and okay, save. It's already published. This is important, published. Okay, yeah. So I've saved my, but this is not too readable. So let's see how we can make a view out of this. Filter some of the information and present it in such a way that our reader will take, we like it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my content. Okay, so I have two uh, two staffs under, see the content type, staff directory. Okay, so I can conveniently go and create view for my staff directory. I'm going to go to structure. I'll go to views. Okay, so see this, we already have some views. These are system generated views. So we need to create our own. So we are going to add views. Okay, so I'm going to name this as staff directory. Okay, so this is the machine name. Okay, what content do I want to show here? I want to show, okay, I want to show contents of all, no, of this staff directory. So these are the contents. I want to sort newest first, or you can still control this. Oldest first, you can still control. So it's going to give me, we have two kinds of view, for the page and for block settings. So let me create both now. Okay, and then I'll create also block. Okay, so I'm going to differentiate it with page title. Let me just say page here, page, and I'll know that this is for the block. Okay, so I'm going to still go and do some configuration too inside. So save and edit. Okay, okay, so this is my view. So it has been created, staff directory. So you can see it. And I'm going to go and edit and configure it. Okay. So you can see we have page, which we title staff directory page. And this is going to be the path. We also have the block. Okay. Staff directory block. And these are the what we are going to configure. And you can also see the preview here as we are configuring it, as we are picking the feet, we will be seeing the views here. Okay, so let's start with the page. Okay, so I have this file which I'm going to send to you. Okay, page. So let's use this for page. So I'm going to add this. I'll show you how to add it. Okay. So for our page, let's do the format. Let's use HTML. Okay. Let's use a grid layout. Okay. This page only. Apply this display. Okay. So columns for large screen. Okay, this is okay. For mediums, this is okay. This is okay. For small screen, let's just change it to 1. Extra class. Let's leave this. Apply. Okay. Settings. Okay. I have done the settings. Apply. Show contents. We are showing contents, but we don't want to use teaser. Let's use full content. Let's apply. Feeds. We are going to no. Okay. Let's use field here. Apply to this display. Okay. Comment title. Okay. Let's just click apply. Okay. So because we chose feed here, we'll be able to add feed. This is already added for us. So we are going to add more. I'm going to add for this. We are going to add for our image, surname, first name, middle name, department, directory, and this, and the custom. Okay, so then I think we save our own with picture. Okay, so this is where we are storing our image on. Okay, let's add to all display. We don't want to create a label. Target ID, image formatter. Okay, let's just the original image. Or if we click down, we can choose any of these image size. Let's choose this size. We should link it to content. Okay, then we apply. Let's be applying to all displays, and then we go and configure the blocks. Okay, we add another one. We add for surname. Okay, so let's search for surname. Surname. Okay, apply to all display. Okay, let's be excluding plain text, link to comments, content. No, don't let us link it. Apply. Okay, this one will come and edit it so that we hide it. First name, apply all display. Let's exclude it from display. Apply all display. Okay. Middle name and then departments. Add. Middle. Apply to all display. Okay. Let's exclude. Apply. So let's edit this. We exclude it. Apply. Let's edit it. We exclude this. Apply. Let's add departments. Or directorate. Let me see. directorate unit, apply to all display. Okay, exclude. Okay, apply to all display. Okay, we add. So this time around we are going to add custom. It is the custom that we use to pull it out, custom text. Okay, apply to all display. So we are going to copy this my little snippet and try and adjust it to fit what. Okay, so this my little snippet. I will go to replacement pattern. So if I want to display title, this is what I will use. If I want to display picture, this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so let me see if it corresponds. Feed image equals picture. Okay, post image. So feed image, post content, feed underscore surname, followed by feed first name, followed by feed middle name. Feed directorate units. Is this correct? So let me check. Feed directorate units. Okay. Okay, I think it's correct. Feed department. So I don't have anything like feed department. So this will not go. Okay. Okay, I think I can save this now. Okay. So my filter criteria is content published. So if the content is published, it should pick it. So if it is not published, it won't pick it. Content type, staff directory. So I'm focusing on this content type and I want to sort it in descending. I want pager 10 items, and this is going to be my link. No menu. I can create a menu here for it. Normal menu entry. Or okay, let me go and create a menu for it later. Okay, so I can save this. Okay, we can look at the preview. We have to preview here. Okay, so it's picking the other one and this highly removable. And okay, so let's save it and go and check how it's going to look like. Okay, so we'll go to this link. Okay, let's do it this way. Copy, paste, copy, slash. So we go to this link and press enter and see what we are. Okay, wow, but we do not have our picture. So that means something is wrong somewhere. So let's figure out what is wrong by going to Okay, let's check the field. Let's go to structure. Okay, structure, content types, manage fields. Okay, so let's find the machine name for picture, where we are storing the picture. Okay, where is the picture? Okay, picture. Oh, okay, image one. So this should be what we should be looking for. Okay, so let's go back. Let's edit our global custom text and let's make this image. Okay, so let's save. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay. Okay, so I've been able to adjust it. This place is important. Replacement pattern. You have to use this. Okay, this is what my picture feed is taking. So you have to be able to copy it. And so I have it here. So I'm going to apply on all display. Okay, I'm going to save. Okay, okay, so I've saved. So I'm going to okay, so this is the path that I'm going. So let me just copy this path and let me go to my menu structure. Okay, menu, edit menu. Okay, so let me quickly create staff directory, add link. Staff directory, and this is the link. Okay, I'm going to save. Okay, I'm going to go back and edit. Okay, so I want my, okay, let it be here, start directory. I'm going to save. Okay, so I'm going to go to my, okay, wow, it's already showing, but let me refresh this. Okay, so I have staff directory here. Okay, so I can have my staff directory, and just like we see, so this is the, so we are arranging it properly now. So if we have another staff now, it's going to be here. Remember, we chose 3, and if we are going uh for the responsive, for the mobile version, it's going to be showing 1. Okay, so we are going to do more justice to this. Okay, so this is coming to shape. This is for the page. We'll go. Let's go back to our structure, content types, manage fields. Okay, let's manage display. Okay, so you can see we have picture here. Let's change it to okay, let's change it to this. Okay, content updates. Okay, that will be able to okay, let's see. Okay, it's not having effects. Okay, so I will shoot a video on how to adjust that. Okay, thank you for staying with me. I hope you can practice this. uh, there is another video coming up soon that will make sure that this is well aligned. Thank you.